Hello, Hudson Pep elementary teachers and students. I've got some exciting news. We're kicking off our fall fundraiser. Packets will be going home today.
No way!
Make sure to show Mom when you get home so that we can help our school. You'll receive 5 discount cards like this. They are good for buy one, get one free food and other discounts at your favorite restaurants all around Longview. The card sells for $20 each. When you've sold the 5 cards in your envelope, you can turn in your money and checks to your teacher and get more cards. Another way you can help is by following the directions on the Charleston Wrap flyer in your packet. You'll send out shopping invitations to all your out-of-town friends and family. They can shop over 2,500 items online. There's really cute things that Mom and Grandma are sure to love, like personalized bags, scarves, luggage tags, wrapping paper, and more. There's also cookware, chocolate, and other yummy treats. All items purchased ship direct to the buyer's home, so it's safe and convenient. Who wants to get out of class for a party?
I like to move it. You like to move it.
Great! The top 3 selling classrooms will receive an awesome ice cream party. Remember to show Mom tonight so that she can ask friends and family to help. Thanks!